my course, that is 48 regular IMA. We passed out in November 71, 50 years back, on this day, exactly on this day. हमारे लिए तो बहुत momentous occasion है ये, very very important. हमारे जो जितने लोग पास आउट हुए थे, उसमें से काफ़ी लोग भी है भी नहीं. They are not even here to see this day. Two of my colleagues lost their lives in the very first few days of the war. They had hardly worn the uniform. और मैं जब कमीशन हुआ था मेरी उम्र थी 19.5 साल. So I was only 19 and a half, and most of us were like that. And we went into war, straight into war. 14 November we got commissioned. 3rd December the war started. All of us got deployed. So to commemorate this day of 50 years back is very, very important, and we are very grateful to Western Command for having organized such a moving, emotional wreath-laying ceremony, a memorial service. When I landed up in J&K, I was in the Uri sector of Baramulla Uri sector. I went there, and a number of my colleagues also were there. We knew we were going into war because we passed out early, 1 month before. We were actually quite excited about it. हमें तो बहुत वो था अंदर से कि हम लड़ाई में जा रहे हैं. And just after commissioning, and I come from a second generation family. My father who fought in the war in Second World War in Burma and lost his eye there also. For me, it was very, very wonderful. So my father was alive that time, and I thought it was a matter of great pride that I go into battle immediately after commissioning. So yes, I went to Uri, and brand new second lieutenant, and these boys who were there, the soldiers, to be with them and go through this war was a great experience. हमारे इतने brave हैं हमारे soldiers जो हैं, उनके साथ रहना और लड़ाई में पार्ट लेना was itself a great experience. तो मैं इंडिविजुअली तो कुछ नहीं बता सकता हूँ कि हमने हमला किया कि नहीं किया. वो किया था हमने वहाँ पर, और बहुत हमने सक्सेस पाया वहाँ, और पर वो that is part of history.
How do you count this war in history? Because Bangladesh was created.
Yes, it is the most important. This is the most important war fought by India. 1971 was a great, great victory. We liberated one country. Bangladesh is there because of this war. We had great success in the western sector, and we captured 93,000 prisoners of theirs. कभी हुआ ही नहीं हिस्ट्री में 93,000 prisoners. And we returned all these prisoners safe and sound back to Pakistan.
You know, we were commissioned 5 weeks ahead of time, and on 14th of November we were commissioned 50 years ago, and we were given 14 days of leave and then to ask to join the unit. I was commissioned into 2 para. All those officers who are commissioned in, anybody goes to 2 para and to a para unit, he has to undergo 28 days probation before he is accepted as a suitable candidate to be serving in parachute regiment. I joined my unit in Calcutta. My unit is 2 para, and on 29th of November I joined. I was informed that the unit is earmarked for an airborne operation. On 3rd of December the war broke out, and obviously I was not a qualified paratrooper, so I was told that I cannot go to war because I'm not a qualified paratrooper. To qualify as a paratrooper, you have to pass your probation of 28 days. Well, I said that, look, I'm not going to stay back. I want to go to war. So after a lot of debate and discussion, the higher authorities did allow me to jump along with my unit. Though of course they were very apprehensive whether I will jump or no, but I did. So that was my first jump. As far as this operation is concerned, this operation has been termed as, the airborne operation was termed as the trump card of the war. We were to capture a bridge on the river Lohjang. This river was on the northern side of the town called Tangail, and 100 kilometers to the north was Meghna River, where the Indian army was fighting the battle. And the Pakistani brigade, which was to fight a battle between Jamalpur, Tangail, and right up to Dhaka. They were withdrawing from Jamalpur. So we were dropped. This was Jamalpur here, this was Tangail here, this was the bridge. We captured this bridge on the night of 11th and 12th of December. And this entire brigade of Pakistanis which were to have come, fought in Tangail, fought in Jaidepur, were trapped between us. So we took care of this brigade, and then the Indian forces advanced and linked up with us. This is on the 12th of December. 13th, 14th, 15th, 3 days of advanced battle. Then my unit, we were the first ones to enter Dhaka. 2 Para was the first unit to enter Dhaka. And that picture that you see, the surrender ceremony, my platoon was 10 meters ahead of that, giving the guard of honor. So that much as far as my experience and what happened in the war is concerned.